Hey everyone! Welcome back to Practice English Anytime. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Today we have a very special story. It is a little scary, but it has a happy ending.
Yes. Today's story is about a family, a mom, a dad, and their son, Leo. And something goes wrong on a train.
This episode is very simple. Easy words, short sentences, perfect for beginners.
We will tell the story slowly, and we will stop to explain new words.
So don't worry, just listen and relax.
But first, we have a small question for you.
Listen to the story. Try to find the answer.
Here is today's question.
In the story, Leo gets separated from his family on the train. Who does he ask for help?
The answer is in the story. Write it in the comments.
Writing in English is great practice. Please try.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's start the story.
It is a sunny morning. Grace and her family are at the train station.
Train station, the place where trains stop and people get on and off.
Yes, Grace is the mom, her husband is Tom, and their son is Leo. Leo is 8 years old.
They are going to visit Grandma. She lives in another city.
Leo is very excited. He loves trains.
Excited, feeling happy and full of energy about something.
Yes, when you are excited, you feel very happy. You can't wait for something to happen.
The train arrives at the platform.
Platform, the area next to the train tracks, where people wait and get on the train.
Yes, you stand on the platform, then the train stops, then you get on.
Come on, Leo. Let's get on the train.
Wait for me, Mom.
The family gets on the train. They find their seats. Leo sits by the window.
By the window? Next to the window.
Yes, by the window means next to it. Leo loves to look outside.
The train starts to move, slowly at first, then faster.
Leo, do you want a snack?
Snack, a small amount of food you eat between meals.
Yes, I want chips, please.
Okay, I will go to the snack cart. Stay here with Dad.
Snack cart, a small trolley on the train that sells food and drinks.
Yes, a snack cart moves through the train. A worker pushes it. You can buy food and drinks from it.
Grace stands up. She walks to the next train car to find the snack cart.
Train car, one section of the train, like one room.
Yes, a long train has many cars. Each car is like a room. People walk between the cars.
Let's stop for a moment.
A calm start. Let's look at the new words.
First word, train station, the place where trains stop and people get on and off.
Second word, excited, feeling very happy about something that will happen.
Third word, platform, the area next to the train tracks where people wait.
Fourth word, snack, a small amount of food between meals.
Fifth word, snack cart, a small trolley that sells food and drinks on the train.
Sixth word, train car, one section of the train like one room.
6 easy words. Now let's go back to the story. Something goes wrong.
Grace walks through 2 train cars. She finds the snack cart. She buys chips and a juice.
Then she starts walking back to her seat.
But something happens. The train stops at a small station.
Leo is curious. He wants to see outside. He stands up and walks near the door.
Curious, wanting to know or see something.
Yes, when you are curious, you want to explore. You want to look and learn.
The train doors open at the station. Leo steps just outside the door for a second to look at a big dog on the platform.
Step outside, walk out, even for a very short time.
Yes, to step outside means to go out, usually for a short moment.
Suddenly, the doors start to close.
Suddenly, happening very fast with no warning.
Yes, suddenly means it happens quickly. You do not expect it.
Leo, get back on the train.
Leo runs, but the doors close. the train starts to move.
Leo is standing alone on the platform. The train is leaving without him.
Alone. By yourself. With no one else near you.
Yes, alone means no one is with you. Leo feels very scared.
Scared. Feeling afraid.
Yes, when you are scared, your heart beats fast. You feel worried.
On the train, Grace comes back to her seat. She sees Leo is not there.
Tom, where is Leo?
I don't know. He was right here.
Grace and Tom are in shock.
In shock. Feeling very surprised and upset. Unable to think clearly for a moment.
Yes, when you are in shock, your brain feels frozen. It is hard to think.
They run to find a train worker.
Let's pause for a moment.
A scary part of the story. Let's review the words.
First, curious, wanting to know or see something.
Second, to step outside. To walk out, even for a short time.
Third, suddenly, happening very fast, with no warning.
Fourth, alone. By yourself. With no one else near you.
Fifth, scared, feeling afraid.
Sixth, in shock. Feeling very surprised and upset. Unable to think clearly.
6 important words. Now let's go back to the story. Let's see what Leo does.
Leo is standing alone on the platform. He is scared, but he remembers something his mom told him.
If you are ever lost, stay calm. Find someone who works there. They will help you.
Stay calm. Stay relaxed. Do not panic.
Yes, stay calm means don't be scared inside. Breathe slowly. Think clearly.
Leo takes a deep breath.
Deep breath. A big, slow breath of air in and out.
Yes, a deep breath helps you feel calm. You breathe in slowly, then you breathe out slowly.
Leo looks around. He sees a woman wearing a uniform.
Uniform. Special clothes that show a person's job.
Yes, train workers wear a uniform. It helps you know who works there.
Leo walks up to the woman.
Excuse me, I lost my family. They are on the train. Can you help me?
Excuse me, a polite way to get someone's attention.
Yes, we say excuse me before we ask something. It is polite.
The woman kneels down to talk to Leo.
Kneels down, bends her knees to be at the same height as a child.
Yes, when an adult kneels down, they go lower. This helps the child feel safe.
Don't worry. What is your name?
My name is Leo.
Okay, Leo, I am Officer Kim. I work at the station. Let's call the train.
Officer, a person who works in a job with authority, like security or police.
Yes. An officer helps keep people safe. Train stations often have officers.
Officer Kim uses her radio to talk to the train staff.
Radio. A small device used to talk to other workers over a distance.
Yes, a radio lets workers talk to each other quickly, even from far away.
This is Officer Kim. A boy named Leo was left at the last station. His family is on the train.
Meanwhile, on the train, Grace and Tom find a train worker.
Meanwhile, at the same time, in a different place.
Yes, meanwhile shows two things happening at the same time.
Please help. Our son was left on the platform.
Don't worry, ma'am. We just got a radio message. Your son is safe with an officer.
Grace starts to cry, but this time from relief.
Relief. The good feeling when a worry goes away.
Yes, relief is a happy feeling. It happens after you were scared, and then everything is okay.
Let's stop for a moment.
So many good words about staying safe. Let's review.
First, stay calm. Stay relaxed. Do not panic.
Second, deep breath. A big, slow breath of air in and out.
Third, uniform. Special clothes that show a person's job.
Fourth, excuse me, a polite way to get someone's attention.
Fifth, officer. A person who works in a job with authority, like security.
6th, radio. A small device used to talk to other workers over a distance.
7th, meanwhile. At the same time, in a different place.
8th, relief. The good feeling when a worry goes away.
8 good words. Now let's go back to the story and see the happy ending.
The train stops at the next station. Grace and Tom run off the train.
A train comes back for Leo. Officer Kim waits with him.
Look, Leo, your mom and dad are coming.
Leo sees his mom running towards him.
Mom!
Leo!
Grace hugs Leo tightly.
Hugs tightly, holds someone close, with strong arms, to show love.
Yes, a tight hug shows big love and big relief.
I was so scared. I'm sorry, Mom. I just wanted to see the dog.
It's okay, my love. You are safe now. That is all that matters.
That is all that matters. That is the only important thing.
Yes, when we say, that is all that matters, we mean nothing else is important right now.
Tom thanks Officer Kim.
Thank you so much for helping our son.
You're welcome. He did a great job. He stayed calm and asked for help. That is exactly the right thing to do.
Leo, you were very brave.
Brave, not letting fear stop you from doing the right thing.
Yes, brave does not mean you are not scared. Brave means you act well, even when you are scared.
The family gets back on the train together. Leo sits between his mom and dad this time.
From now on, we stay very close together. Okay?
From now on, starting now, and continuing in the future.
Yes. From now on means a new rule starts today, and it continues forward.
Okay, Mom, I promise.
Promise. A strong statement that you will really do something.
Yes, a promise is a serious word. When you promise, people trust you to keep it.
The family continues their trip to Grandma's house. Leo holds his mom's hand the whole way.
And that is the story of Leo and the train.
A scary moment, but a happy ending because Leo stayed calm and asked for help.
And that's the end of today's story.
What a heartwarming story. Leo got lost, but he stayed calm, found an officer, and his family found him safely.
And we learned so many useful words about trains, feelings, and staying safe.
Let's do a final review of 10 key words from today.
First, platform, the area next to the train tracks where people wait.
Second, suddenly, happening very fast with no warning.
Third, alone, by yourself, with no one else near you.
Fourth, scared, feeling afraid.
Fifth, stay calm, stay relaxed, do not panic.
Sixth, deep breath, a big, slow breath of air in and out.
Seventh, officer, a person who works in a job with authority, like security.
Eighth, relief, the good feeling when a worry goes away.
Ninth, brave, not letting fear stop you from doing the right thing.
10th, promise, a strong statement that you will really do something.
10 simple words. Practice them, and remember, if you are ever lost, stay calm and find someone who works there.
That simple lesson can help you, or someone you know, feel safe in a scary moment.
Now, one last time, today's question.
In the story, Leo gets separated from his family on the train. Who does he ask for help?
Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
We upload new videos every week with slow, clear English for beginners.
Thank you so much for watching Practice English anytime.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.